Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's keep up with the gold analysis. I'll take a look. Market yesterday has hit the confidence support that we talked about, and actually our long position has been triggered as we discussed yesterday, because we said that it's better to take position around 47.48 because we are not sure the market definitely will reach the 14.42, which is a 1.7 extension of this butterfly, and it has not been reached just for a few bucks. But in general, you can see the reaction stance healthy here. As you can see, the pullback has started, and our suggestion currently, despite that we have the strong bearish action on the weekly chart, which could continue later, but now we need to follow the technical reaction on the confidence support we have on the weekly. It's also accompanied by the daily and weekly oversold, which creates really good background for a pullback here, and I'd suggest that this should be at least the 30% retracement, somewhere to the 1480 area. It's a minimal target, but else also it could continue just action higher. Today, guys, also our forum member Roger has put the great analysis on the silver. So it has a bit different shape, but it still has a lot of common things. ABC reaction, OP rather strong support here on around daily support. Here we have the confidence, 1447, 1448. On silver it's a bit different levels, but overall shape of the price the same. On the intraday chart, price behavior is also very similar to what we have on the gold. For example, take a look at the 4 time frame chart. You can see spike down, fast action. Right now market is coming to the 1463. This is resistance. So if you have missed opportunity to take the long position here with the spike down, or where our XOP was, this initial ABCD pattern here as well. So you now could wait for some minor pullback for taking the position. So take a look. As on the silver, we have the washing rates that Roger talked about. As on the gold market, we have another washing rates, because if you will drop your time frame, say, to the 15-minute chart, you clearly will see the washing rates action. So take a look what has happened. Spike down, grab over the stops below these lows, and fast acceleration. That was the signal for taking the position. Also our butterfly. So yesterday we talked about this butterfly, and we talked about 1442 level. It's 1618. That was ultimate and technically perfect combination when this hourly butterfly will complete as well the daily butterfly, because it has the same extension. But we warned that it stands slightly below the confidence on the weekly chart and might not be hit totally. And indeed, take a look, market was able to proceed high with these washing rings, reaching 1445 area, and then turns up. So now, as you can see, this minor channel has been broken, market is standing higher. If you was not in time, take the position around this combination, because yesterday we also said, guys, do not wait if you are not sure that you will be able to catch the just precise point for entry, the ultimate point for entry. Take the position around. Just place stop below the weekly confidence support. And as you can see, this actually works, because when you have the very strong level on a daily, you do not need to catch some pips for just taking profit position. We are not here for taking the perfect positions. We are not here to grab the big swings. We are here to make the profit. And I'd suggest that pullback should happen. So you could take the position on market stands almost at the level. Just place stop below the major support. And because you, in most cases, you will not be able to get that perfect entry. So currently, if you somehow still miss the opportunity to take the long position here in this combination consolidation, you could wait for a minor pullback, because as I said, market now is coming to the first resistance. It's 1463. Maybe some pullback here is possible, some retracement. So you could keep an eye out on some minor ABCD on the 15-minute chart, maybe to the 1456 area, maybe 1452. There's two Fib levels that market could hit. And here you could think about taking the position as well. Potentially the target at least the market could reach, it stands 1472 is confidence resistance. Roach also talked about the same confidence on the silver, but I agree with him that depending on how market will develop price action here, we can't exclude the chance that it could be deeper in more significant action, because on the daily chart market could show the retracement to some of the levels of the whole downward action, same A, B, C, D pattern here that we have. But currently we are watching for the 30% pullback here and see what will happen. But in general, our entry point has been achieved. Market starts upward action now. We just keep an eye on what will happen. And as I said, those of you who missed opportunities to take position here and still if you would like to take the long position, you just could keep an eye on the possible minor pullbacks here.